What's up guys, this is Shan Heather and right now I'm taking this video from the front facing camera of Realme X2 Pro smartphone that comes with 16 megapixel front facing camera. So it is capable of recording 1080p resolution videos at 30 fps. It also comes with beautification mode, but if you use the beautification mode then the video resolution will be reduced to 720p HD only. The front-facing video recording also comes with bokeh effect, and Realme X2 Pro also gives the option to customize the level of bokeh effect that you want in your videos captured from the front-facing camera. The time-lapse feature is available for the front-facing camera video recording as well. For pictures we got nightscape, panorama, HDR and the portrait mode where you can customize the level of beauty and the bokeh effect on the pictures captured from the front-facing camera of Realme X2 Pro. So right now I'm just trying to give you an idea that if you're going to use Realme X2 Pro for taking selfies or videos, so how good or bad it's going to be in terms of quality. So that's all for now friends, thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads, and I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.